Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about mirrors and images. After this video you should be able to identify different types of mirrors and images. So we already know reflection is the process of bouncing back of light in a same medium by an opaque object. And there are two types of reflection. One is regular reflection, which is done by the smooth surfaces like mirror, and image is formed in regular reflection. And in irregular reflection, is done by rough surfaces in which lights are reflected in random directions. And the example of irregular reflection is cemented wall, and image is not formed by irregular reflection. So a mirror is a smooth polished surface that forms image by reflection. A mirror is a glass which is painted from one side, and this is the symbol for a mirror, and the reflective surface is denoted by a straight line, and the back side or opaque side is denoted by small slanted lines. This side is the front part of the mirror, and this is the symbol for mirror. And image is the visual representation of something produced by optical instruments like mirror or lenses. So there are two types of images. One is real image, another is virtual image. And real image can be obtained on screen, and virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. So let's see the example out here. You can see this lens is forming the image of this candle on a screen, and out here also you can see the scenery in front of this lens is being projected in this board or screen, and out here the image of the tree outside the window is being projected on this screen. So that means in all three cases we are getting the image on the screen. So all these images are real image. The virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. So example is the image formed by the plane mirror cannot be obtained on screen or any paper. So these are called virtual image. And one more difference we can see out here is the real images are always inverted, and out here virtual images are erect. Erect means upright or not inverted. So we can say real images are always inverted and virtual images are erect, meaning upright or vertical. And real images are formed due to the actual intersections of rays of light, and in virtual image the rays of light do not intersect. Let's see the diagram. Out here you can see this is a candle, and the image of candle is formed by this lens, and you can see rays from the candle are meeting at the image. But out here you can see this is the candle and this is the image, but the light from the candle cannot go inside the mirror. It gets reflected from the surface, but the imaginary line drawn from this ray meet at the back of the mirror. So out here rays are meeting, out here rays are not meeting to form the image. The important difference between the real and virtual image is real image is always inverted and virtual image is always erect. The image formed by a mirror has some properties, and by looking at these properties we can tell the nature of image. So let's see first image. So out here you can see the image is inverted, so we know that inverted image is always real. And out here you can see this is the image formed by the back side of the spoon, and this is erect image, and erect image is always virtual. So these are the two natures, one is real and inverted, another is virtual and erect. And out here you can see the size of the image is larger than the object, so this image is called enlarged or magnified image. This image is of same size, so it is the image formed by a plane mirror. And out here you can see the image is smaller than the object. The flower at the back is larger, but the image is smaller, so this image is called diminished. So while writing the nature we have to write this, either real or virtual, either inverted or erect, or magnified or diminished or same size. So we have to write one from each category. So let's see an example. So out here you can see the image is erect. So we know erect image is always virtual, so virtual and erect. And you can see the size of this hand is larger than the size of the object, so it is enlarged or magnified. So this image is virtual, erect and enlarged. Now in this case the object is erect, that means upright, and we know erect image is always virtual, so one of the nature is virtual and erect. And you can see size of the image is smaller than the size of the object, because the size of the car as compared to this image is large, so we can write this is diminished image. And out here the image is inverted, so inverted image is always real. And out here you can see the size is smaller than the actual size of the man, so we can say it's a diminished image. So out here the image of the tree is inverted, so inverted is always real, or we can say this image is being obtained on screen, so the image which can be obtained on the screen is real. And by looking at the size of the image is smaller than the size of the tree, so it is diminished. So similarly you can try these images. First you have to see whether the image is erect or inverted, and then you have to see whether the image is enlarged, same size or small. For these images also you can try. So now let's see what are the types of mirrors. So there are two types of mirror, one is plane mirror, another is spherical mirror. And spherical mirrors are further divided into two categories, concave mirror and convex mirror. So now let's understand what is plane, concave and convex mirror in details. So plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflective surface. So this is the symbol for the mirror. Reflective side or shiny side is represented by a straight line, and the opaque side or back side of the mirror is represented by small slanted lines. And these are the uses of plane mirror. It is used as looking glass, it is used in solar cooker, and they are also used in constructing periscope, which is used in submarines. Now let's understand the method to draw the image formed by a plane mirror. So first we'll draw the object, we draw the mirror, and we draw one eye out here. And at the same distance from the mirror we draw the image of same size, and we draw two lines from the object, it goes to eye, and from here we draw dotted line which reaches the image. This is the diagram of the image formed by a plane mirror. So now let's see the properties of the image formed by a plane mirror. This boy is standing in front of the mirror and this is the image. Now you can see the image is erect, that means upright or vertical. So erect image is always virtual. So first property is image is virtual and erect. And the second property, the size of the image and the size of the object is same. And the third property, the distance of the object and the distance of the image is same. And the fourth property, which is the important property, so when we look at the mirror, the left and right gets interchanged, and this process is called lateral inversion. So because of this reason, the ambulance on the car will be written like this, so that when we look at the mirror we see the ambulance like this. Because of the lateral inversion we write the ambulance this way. So these are the properties: virtual and erect, same size, distance of object and distance of image is same from the mirror, and image is laterally inverted, meaning left and right gets interchanged. And another type of mirror is spherical mirror or curved mirror. So let's see how to make a spherical mirror. So we take a sphere, we cut a part of sphere, and now we can paint front side or the back side. If you paint the outer part of the sphere, then you'll get a concave mirror, because the reflecting side will be the cave side. And if you paint the inner side of the sphere, the mirror we get is convex mirror. So out here you can see this line is the reflecting side and these small horizontal lines are the painted side. Same thing goes for convex, and for concave the reflecting side is curved inward, and for convex the reflecting side is curved outward. And concave and convex mirror are called spherical mirror because they are a part of sphere. We have seen that to make the concave or convex we need a sphere of glass, so that's why we call it spherical mirrors. In concave mirror, shiny part is curved inward. So you can see out here these two mirrors are curved inward, and in convex mirror shiny part is curved outward. So out here you can see the shiny part is curved outward. So concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose surface is curved inward, and another definition is spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is inner part of the sphere is called concave mirror. So out here you can see reflecting part is the inner part of the sphere, and we can turn the mirror in any direction. These three mirrors are also concave mirror and they are facing different side. So out here you can see this reflecting part is curved inward. Out here also reflecting part is curved inward, and for this also reflecting part is curved inward. And convex mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward, or another definition is spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is outer part of the sphere. Out here you can see this part is the reflecting part and this side is the painted part. So reflecting part is curved outward. Again, these are the different convex mirror. For this mirror the reflecting part is curved outward, and for this also the reflecting part is curved outward, and for this also reflecting part is curved outward. So this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.